So a few months ago, our oldest daughter, Elizabeth, contacted me to let us know that their puppy had passed away, Iris. Iris was Michael and Elizabeth's first puppy together when they got married. So pretty rough for them. And Elizabeth had asked if I could build a box to put Iris in. So walked around the shop, gathered up some material, built this urn. And right now I'm just laying out the tails, the dovetails, and then I'm going to cut them out. And once we get them all cut out, I'm going to remove the waste. All this is cutting right above the layout lines, so I can come back and clean it up with the chisel. And here I'm just cleaning up the ends. And make that little notch with the chisel so my saw can rest in it so I can get a good accurate cut. And once it's all cut, I'll get my smaller chisel, just clean everything back up to the lines. That way when I do a dry fit, it's a good tight fit. Got it cleaned up. I'm going to lay out the pins, and here I am cleaning up the pins, taking it back to that line. That's critical with dovetails, that you don't go past your line and you get them good and clean. So once you do fit them, you're not breaking anything off. It can really mess things up. There was a dry fit, and here I am cutting the base and top out on the table saw. That's from a piece of walnut that I had laying in the back. And then I'm using the Festool domino here. I put tenons in it in the base so the bottom can expand and contract. And just doing a dry fit here, making sure all the dovetails are going to work properly, and get this thing where it'll fit together, see if I've got anything I need to adjust. And it went together pretty good. It was, you got to fight it a little bit, but there it is with the top. So now that I've got it assembled, now I'm going to go back and hit everything with a plane and get it really, really smooth. And these are winding sticks, so these allow me to see if the board is twisted or not. And it was in great shape, so I moved to the top. Took a little hand plane, cleaned up all the edges, and just got it ready to apply finish. Now the finish is custom made. I used 3 different materials, and it's actually 6 coats that are applied to this. And it goes on gloss, but it lays down really, really nice and makes a matte finish. It does not stay shiny at all. And here's the top of that piece of dark walnut. So really nice. Here are the boxes. That's the curly maple. And here in a moment, you're going to see how it pops. So right now, I'm putting on beeswax. So after I did the 6 coats of finish, I polished it with beeswax, and that's kind of what it looks like. It's a nice matte finish, and let me tell you, golly, it smelled great. So here's the box all finished up, or the urn, and had a local company here cut out the little paw with Iris's name and her dates in there, and so that's it. It was a fun project, but hated I had to build it, but it was really an honor to get to build it.